Hello, fellow aviators. Welcome back to Aliong'o Aerosphere, your hub for African aviation insights, from technology and market trends to careers and investment opportunities. Join us in exploring the future of African skies.
Afternoon, good day. Today is April the 8th, 2025. Now we're here at Aliong'o Aero, as always, to elevate African aviation. We were joined by Bwana Eric, who flew all the way from Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. We are here as Africans to represent our continent and to bring a game changer in aviation papers. So, share with us while we're going to show you what's going on inside there. We are here at MRO Americas 2025. It's the 29th organization of this event, and it's put together by Mr. Danny Leon, and he'll just tell us a little bit more about this whole event so that you out there in Africa would be more aware. And next time you can look forward to actually joining and having a good meeting that we just had with Mr. Danny. So Mr. Danny, tell us a little bit about MRO Americas.
Yes, MRO Americas is the biggest and fastest growing MRO show in the world. And we do shows all over the world. So we do have it in every continent. We hope that you can join us at one of our events. MRO Americas is here for you and is very excited about aviation in Africa. We know it's growing. We see the market. So we hope that you can join us here soon.
Thank you very much, Mr. Danny. We look forward to talking more about the MRO Africa as well.
Yes.
So that we will be able to link us up to the guys.
Absolutely.
Nice talking to you.
Lever to address manufacturers. So be that failure to follow the procedural non-compliance piece really is about organizational culture. Within that culture, the biggest lever is your frontline management. So making your frontline management is both understands the vision and is actually articulating that vision to the front lines. That's a key. This one out? There we go. Okay.
Aliong'o Aerosphere once again, and this is where the action took place. MRO Americas, that's the Georgia World Congress Center. Yes, actually, it's the Congress Center. And this is where the 29th MRO Americas took place. Now things are closing out, people are heading out, people are heading home, and we are live and alive. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for more insights into aviation trends, technology, opportunities across Africa. See you next time, and kwaheri kwa leo.